Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my English class. I am your English teacher, Haley. I am so unbelievably excited to be here with you today. We are going to have a fantastic time. How is your day going? Are you feeling full of strong energy? Or are you feeling a little bit lazy and tired today? Whatever you are feeling right now, just take a deep breath. I am right here to keep you company. Let me tell you a crazy story. Yesterday, I went to the big supermarket near my house. It was dinner time and I was so incredibly hungry. My stomach was making loud noises. I had a little shopping list. I only needed to buy two simple things, fresh milk and some eggs. But when I walked into the supermarket, everything changed. It smelled like hot, fresh bread. I saw a giant chocolate cake. I put it in my cart. I saw 5 bags of salty potato chips. I put them in. I bought so much sweet junk food, and guess what happened when I finally went back home? I forgot to buy the milk. I forgot to buy the eggs. I only had a huge mountain of snacks. But my silly hungry mistake brings us to a super important topic today, going to the supermarket. We all need to buy food every week. The supermarket is a place you will definitely visit in real life. But big foreign supermarkets can feel very scary. There are thousands of strange boxes and cans. Please do not panic. You do not need to read every single word. You just need a few magic sentences. Let's start with the first step. You are looking for something, but you just cannot find it. The supermarket has so many tall aisles. An aisle is the long walking space between the shelves. You need to ask a friendly worker. Just smile warmly and use this perfectly simple question. Excuse me, where can I find the milk? Where can I find? It is so polite and nice. Let's practice this useful sentence together. Say it clearly. Excuse me, where can I find the milk? Wow, that was absolutely perfect. You sounded so natural. They will be very happy to help you. Number 2. What if you are looking for a special fruit, but you do not see it on the table? Maybe you really want sweet strawberries, but the box is totally empty. Are they all gone? You can ask the worker if they have any more in the back. Use this magic phrase, "Do you have any?" You just point at the empty box and kindly ask, "Excuse me, do you have any strawberries?" It is so easy to remember. Let's try saying it together right now. Do you have any strawberries? Brilliant! Just brilliant! Your English pronunciation is getting so clear and so incredibly strong.
Number 3. You have all your food. Your cart is full. Now it is time to pay for your things.
You go to the checkout line. Checkout is the place where you give them your money. The cashier will always ask you one very fast question. Would you like a bag? Sometimes we say plastic bag or paper bag. They just want to know how you will carry your food. You can give a super simple answer, yes please, or no thank you. Exactly. If you brought your own beautiful bag from home, just proudly say no thank you. Number 4, the final step, paying the money. The cashier will ask how you want to pay. They will look at you and say, cash or card? Cash means paper money, card means your bank card. You just smile and answer with one easy word, by card please, or in cash please. Let's practice the modern way. Say it with me nice and clearly. By card please. Fantastic! Now you can totally survive in any big supermarket in the world. You are a hero. Sometimes my sweet students tell me they are too afraid to go to a foreign supermarket. They say, Haley, the cashier speaks way too fast. The line is so long, I feel so nervous. Please listen to me very carefully. It is completely okay to be slow. You are the customer. If you do not understand the cashier, just look at the screen. The big screen always shows the price. You do not need to chat for 10 minutes. Just smile, say hello, and say thank you. That is enough. A warm smile is a magical language that everyone understands. It connects our hearts instantly. Your spoken English does not need to be perfect. Your brave heart is already completely perfect. Every time you walk into that store and try, you are winning. I am cheering for you every day. All right, my beautiful and incredibly brave friends, we are reaching the end of today's fun class. But you know exactly what time it is. It is time for our secret interaction game in the comments section. Today, I want you to leave a very hungry comment using this exact magical sentence pattern. If I could only buy 3 things at the supermarket, I would buy. Let me go first. If I could only buy 3 things at the supermarket, I would buy milk, eggs, and a huge pizza. What about you? Would you buy fresh apples? Would you buy sweet ice cream? Tell me your favorite food. I absolutely cannot wait to read all of your amazing comments. Keep practicing and see you next time. Bye.